The basic nuts and bolts mechanics of how it works is we would want to sit down with a client, talk to them about their case, find out, the basic dispute, and really allows us to figure out a few of the key inputs. How many people do we think have information involved in the case, because that'll tell us how many likely depositions there are, which is a form of discovery where you get to ask people questions. We'll have a scope of how big the case is, how much money is at issue. We'll have an idea as to whether we anticipate there's going to be travel in the case, a few various inputs. That will allow us to go into the algorithm that we had created. We had a data scientist go through about 10 years of our data and come up with an algorithm that helps us determine what the price would be. And we put those inputs in, and we will come out with a fixed price. It's not just a menu of charges that you can pick from, or every time something changes in the case, the price goes up, any of those things. We're going to set parameters, give you a price, and tell you this is what it'll cost all the way through trial. However, one of the things we have to acknowledge is that not every case goes through trial. If that's all we were trying to price, it would be kind of easy. We probably wouldn't have had to waste the money on a data scientist telling us how to do it. We could just look at what the average of all of our cases were and figure something out. The issue is that every case is unique as to when it resolves. It might resolve early, it might resolve late, it might resolve in the middle, and so we have to try to account for that. The way we've handled that is that we actually have set up a series of progress payments throughout the case, and so if your case resolves before one of those progress payments, that's it. You don't owe anything else on your case. If it doesn't resolve and it goes all the way to trial, you'll have been able to budget for what the entirety will cost all the way through to trial.